बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली व बारिक अला रसूलिहिल करीम व खातमन नबिय्यीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Welcome to Working and Earning Tech. In this video we will learn an electric water heater we will repair. The customer report that what time we touch the water we feel electricity pulse in the water. Now let's open this one. We will turn off switch. Okay, then we will unscrew all the bolts, all the nuts. Directly I come to the point, I remove all the nuts. Please clear all inside. You will see here the salty water dust, and remove this and mud that is coming out. Heater thermostat coil carefully out of heater. Actually this is U type. We need a little bit force to get this off and get this out of water heater. Now let's see how to trace the fault. Now we are going out. Now we will see here the 3 copper pipe that's gone. With rust. One point this, and other point this one, and the third point this one. Here we see, and also here. It means we need to replace new. If you want, please purchase 2000 watts. What time you replace with 2000 watt, you will feel good heating. That's the major problem in Gulf states, Gulf countries. The water is very salty. Now we use Allen key to remove the old coil. Now we purchase new one, Italian coil. Fix this one carefully, and the seal of rubber should be checked. The underhead L key screw should be tightened with L key tools. Don't hesitate, you can do it yourself. Dear technician brothers, please subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like and share with technician brothers so they can support to others. Fix this one properly and insert this thermostat. Normally the thermostat is okay, only need to replace the inner. Now we fix this one water heater. It's very well working. Take care yourself. Please like and share, subscribe the channel to see new solutions of problems.